I'm just getting home after spending a week in Montreal, and I literally got stuck in my driveway. Unbelievable. We still got a pile of snow here. It's been really bad weather here for the last several days. Lots of snow and freezing rain in Toronto. Montreal didn't have it as bad. There was one bad day in Montreal, but there's a look down the street. So, middle of April, not a pleasant thing to see. Anyway, hopefully the weather's going to improve over the next week. Like I said, I've got a car show this weekend on Sunday, so not looking very promising for that at the moment. Anyway, hope it improves soon. Alright guys, 21st of April, it's Tush coming at you. It's about 12 noon, and just out here watching the snow melt away. We've got a beautiful day today, finally. It's been a rough week here in Toronto anyway. I mentioned, I think earlier, that I was in Montreal for the past week, so I haven't posted a video for a week and a half, so I'm just heading out to the garage now. Just trying to get the rest of the snow melted off the driveway, and we still got a pile here behind the trailer. But hopefully by the end of today and tomorrow this will all be gone, and we'll be back to grass and bare pavement. Anyway, I'm going to head into the garage. We'll see you there. Alright guys, as I mentioned, the weather is now improving. It looks pretty good for the next 14-day forecast anyway. We've got highs of about 12 degrees, 14 degrees Celsius, somewhere around there. That's probably just low to mid 50s Fahrenheit. And we're at a point where the lows overnight are about 5 degrees Celsius. So that would be about 40-ish, 40 Fahrenheit or so. So I don't have any risk of all my paints freezing in these cabinets. So I think what we're going to do today, and it's been a long-awaited day, is we are going to finally de-winterize the garage doors and get them open. As you know, I've been trying to get these garage doors open for the past few weeks. I'd mentioned I've got a bit of cabin fever being out here, and it's been an awfully long winter. So today will be the day that we get the doors open. So that will entail me having to move a whole bunch of sheet metal somewhere else temporarily. I'm going to probably relocate some of this back into the trailer for storage, and some of it will keep handy, and probably bolt on the body tub shortly to check the final fit before the tub goes out for media blasting. That's the plan for today. Anyway, we'll see how she goes. Anyway, I'm going to grab some gloves and start moving some cold sheet metal. Alright guys, door number 1 is open finally. Feels so good after about, 6 months this has been closed for. So we just had a bit of a sweep out and emptied the trash. So it's nice to finally have that garage door open and get some breeze blowing through the garage. We got another one more to go, so we'll move some sheet metal from over there and we'll get that garage de-winterized and opened up. Okay, now extremely happy. We got the car up on the side. Good to see the sun finally. Now I just got to find a place to put all the sheet metal. The garage door served as a good leaning spot, but obviously I need to get into my toolbox at some point, so I think we'll have to do a reorg on the trailer to get those back inside. Probably don't need the bonnet out right now either. Some other spare parts down here. Some bulkhead panels, door skins. Haven't seen the boot lid for a while. It was tucked away back in the corner, so anyway, give her a bit of a sweep out. Yeah, good day. So I think it's time to get rid of the table. So we'll maybe clean off the table, and we'll move some of these fenders and stuff against this wall over here. That'll be my new leaning spot. So we'll clear away all this junk in front of the table and make a nice clean spot to put all those panels. The ones I need anyway. The ones I don't need, back in the trailer. Okay, the 250 sheet metal that's staying with the car, or the stuff that goes back on the car, is neatly stacked against the wall, and the stuff that we don't require is back in the trailer. There's not a lot of room in the trailer. There's lots of 250 parts and TR3 parts in there, so it's pretty packed in there. Not very well organized either. So that will be for probably another day, another trailer organization. I'm worried about stuff getting damaged in there actually. Anyway, we've got some bits and bobs to put away. We've made a little bit of progress on this end of the garage. Got our welder parked back in there. We've got our engine hoist readily accessible because we are planning on putting the body back on the frame at some point, probably to transport it to the blasters. I don't believe I'm going to keep it on these bucks to go to the blasters because I don't like how much flex there is in the body with these bucks on. If it's on a trailer, I've got about an hour to go on the trailer to the blasters, and I don't necessarily want it just sitting on these little points here and, you know, flexing back and forth the whole way on a trailer. I know it's got to be strapped down, but that's just going to put more stress on the pickup points where those bucks are attached to, so I think I've decided to just take them off and put it back on the frame. Okay, sounds like Les is here. Yeah. We're going to head up to storage and drop the trailer off. So we got to pack the rest of the garage up and get in the truck. Alright, just coming up to 7 p.m. and unfortunately we didn't get as much done as we wanted to today. But we did accomplish the goal of getting the garage doors open, so that was a good thing. Tomorrow I've got a first British car show of the year. It's actually a British car show and flea market. It's called Ancaster, and it's hosted by, I believe, the Austin Healey Club and the British Sports Car Club of Hamilton. So we'll be going to Ancaster tomorrow bright and early. It's supposed to be not too bad of a day tomorrow. I think we're going to be about 14 degrees Celsius. So that's probably about 60 degrees, somewhere around there, Fahrenheit. So hopefully there will be some cars out. I believe Ellen is going tomorrow, and I'm going to be driving the Spitfire, so hopefully we'll see him there along with some other cars, and hopefully I'll be able to take a little video along the way. So that's it for tonight. I'm going to go in and watch the hockey game. Leafs versus Bruins. Leafs are not in very good shape. This could be the end of their season. They could be golfing tomorrow. Let's hope not. Talk to you later.